Hello, everyone. This is Will from TradeWorks Investments. We are a Discord group that been trading for a few years now. You can check us out at the link below and follow us on Twitter. I just want to show you, we had a great play today on SPY. We were shorting SPY, even even though it didn't do what I was expecting perfectly, but still it was a great play. So I just want to show you what was the reason I called SPY or how I executed. I don't know if any of you guys been following. This is our Discord, and we are pretty much putting all the alerts, entry and exits. I've been aiming SPY for a while now, and pretty much all these alerts and charts that I posted daily, pre-market and after hours, all this preparation we had for our members, they were pretty much ready for this kind of play. So this is all this chart that I posted in the past about the SPY, and so this is about the Tesla, and this is about the SPY weekly. So pretty much I've been waiting about this trend line resistance on SPY for a while now. We've been doing pretty good with back and forth on call, and we did great on last week on reports. And so I was aiming this as a put position for a while. So what happened here, just want to show you, when I called SPY, we had SPY gapped up in the morning from yesterday, and it pre-market, it did hit like 409, 409.50 resistance. But pretty much, as all you know, market hours are the time that you can trade on options. So what I did here, I just want to show you pretty much, we were in this play a little early, just because I just didn't want to miss the opportunity. I was able to grab December 5th, and we were in 406 puts. And so this is the play that I called earlier. The way I executed this play, pretty much when SPY opened it up, there was like a really undecided traders. It's gonna spike up or it's gonna dump heavily after good reports yesterday. So I was able to grab some call. I alerted at 408, just like on 408, and I was expecting some drop at 408 at market open. But then what happened was it did reverse, and it broke to 408 and then tested this double top on the pre-market. So I knew by the time SPY has been doing a little trick, which is then I started watching my 30 minutes chart, because SPY, it's just like a trend, it's like a pattern. The second 30 minutes, after 30-minute candle closes, it either rips or it dumps. And I was able to alert the group right here. I was able to alert the group pre-market, and then I was able to tell them that, okay, I'm taking December 5th 408 put at 290, and my stop loss was 410. The reason I called 410 was my stop loss, just because I knew this is the trend line resistance, and breaking this and holding this level, that was gonna push back to 415, which this is still on play. But one thing that I realized about SPY, as you can see my arrows, every SPY rally has a heavy pullback, like almost a month. And we had another rally here and another pullback, and it's been doing back and forth. So this was a perfect timing for me, and I was expecting this to drop, but you know, this drop, I was expecting some sort of like this drop right here. I can just show you, but right there, 1 second. So I want to just zoom it. I was expecting this kind of drop on the first day, but then we could have this kind of candle tomorrow, and also tomorrow, which is Friday, and we are swinging some other runners. We didn't close, we didn't lock 100%. I personally didn't lock 100%, and I know some of the members, they are swinging their puts. So I'm expecting SPY to pull back tomorrow more. So the way we executed on that, like I said, on 30 minutes, as soon as I saw this 30-minute candle closes, and I was able to alert the team that we need to take more, and I was able to grab more, taking some more at that level, and my stop loss was still 410. And then finally, SPY decided to give up, and then we were able to catch this from all the way 409.50 all the way to 405. And most of the members, they were able to lock for 200%, and some of them locked for 300%. Some traders, they locked for 100% gains. And it's been sideways, and the SPY wasn't, really given any a direction, just because the 408 and 406 area was just kind of very, very tight. It could go either way. So, but it's a good sign for us on this play, just because it didn't break 410, and we might see some gap down tomorrow morning. If we see gap down, that means SPY will test at 400 level, and I can show you on my Fibo what I do. And pretty much I play with my resistance trend line and the Fibo line. And just to give you an idea, this is like my purple line is my 200 small moving average on 5 minutes. Anything below that, I'm bearish. So just a simple way to do this. And if SPY is not able to hold this today's low, which is 405, and if it gaps down, I'm seeing this goes all the way to 401, which is a 400 level. And this is the only reason we were swinging, and we even grabbed some a lot of play for January, end of December. And if we execute this, if we charted this correctly, SPY will test this 400 level, and then below that, it's gonna, it might do just like this pullback. I'm not expecting a big whole month drop, but I'm still seeing some, testing this level 395 area. But again, in our group, we always guide you with your entry and exit, and then we make sure you scale out. So yes, this was a great play for us. Like I said, it should be better than this, but there is a more higher chance that we're gonna see some drop tomorrow, and also being Friday, we should see some sell-off tomorrow. Again, this is a TradeWorks investment, so you can join us and follow us on Twitter. Thank you.